square whenever x is less than 1. Minimum of 2x minus 1 and x square when x is greater than equal to 1. Let us see the graph. Then you get an idea about it. This is the graph of x square and this is the graph of mod x. So both will intersect x equal to 1. Clear? So it clearly indicates that if it is, we take the first graph, first one what we are taking is mod x and x square when x is less than 1. Whenever x is less than 1, you have to take this graph because x square is less than 1. Then what happens? Again, this graph will come. Okay, so I'll draw separately here. So minimum value of f of x is equal to x square whenever x lies between minus 1 to plus 1. That will be the minimum. Okay, further what will be the minimum? Further will be x square is given to you. Further will be mod x means minus x. Minus x whenever x is lying between minus infinity to minus 1. This will be the basically. So if you can compare also, if we keep on putting the values, so x will be minimum than x square. We are talking when x is less than equal to 1. This is the interval. Now let us talk about the next function, minimum of 2x minus 1 and x square when x is greater than equal to 1. What we observe is 2x minus 1 is a tangent to y is equal to x square. It will be a tangent to y is equal to x square. Okay, so if we try to draw the final graph, what we observe is the graph will look like this. So this one, sharp edge up to 1. After that, it will go tangential line will be there because this is a tangent. So this line is nothing but 2x minus 1. If we extend it, where is the tangent? Tangent is at x equal to 1. So 2x minus 1 will be the tangent to the parabola. So what we observe is only at x is equal to minus 1, we are getting a sharp edge. So function is not differentiable. Function is not differentiable only at x is equal to minus 1. So normal mathematical calculation also you can do. This is equal to, now greater than 1 we have to talk. Greater than 1, what will be there? 2x minus 1 will be there. 2x minus 1 will be there. Greater than 1, it is a tangent, 2x minus 1 will be there. If we see also differentiability at x equal to 1, this is 2x and 2x at x equal to 1 will give you 2. Here again differentiation of 2x minus 1 is again 2. So left hand derivative and right hand derivative both are same at x equal to 1. But at x equal to minus 1 what we observe? So at x equal to minus 1 differentiability will differ because here you are getting as minus 2, here you are getting as minus 1. So a function is not differentiable at x is equal to minus 1.